That's a great answer. So I tell you one thing. All of this, you can obviously entertain or encourage them to speak within their schools to give and create.
As well as I want to be a professor.
Rupees per prototype. Does that sound exciting?
Yes.
Is there anyone apart from this particular student who can please stand up and tell me? You keep standing, you keep standing. Anybody else can stand up and tell me what do you wish to become? Is there any be caution board curriculum which will then have these three domains as you see over here? Life forms, machines and materials, and human services. What curriculum? And basis that, they get an opportunity to meet up the industry veterans who are profitable and seasoned entrepreneurs, wherein you pitch your ideas, your prototypes in front of them. What ideas that you have come up with, at the same time also get seed funding from sharks who are seasoned entrepreneurs and profitable individuals. We have replicated it at IFP. Mondays personally. Anyone? You? Everyone likes Mondays? You sure?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a strange thing. Please. So all three comes under what?
Under the composite skill lab.
Composite skill lab is a lab. What curriculum? How many days were you in the lab? One day. Okay, no problem. So I'll you don't want to come back to school or come back to your college or do your work or whatever it is. I can see certain faces smiling. They might be not raising their hand because principal is sitting over here. They might be scared. Has everyone had their breakfast properly? Is it something of Monday blues today? I used to be very angry and disappointed at myself. Every Monday I used to wake up. I was never in my zone when I used to go in school. Anyway, exposure to students so that they not only jump from one place to another, but they rise from that particular journey and become something which they always dreamt of. Next. This is where we met the director of CBSE, who is Dr. Vishwajit Saha, to understand the importance of a composite skill lab. Okay.
Hello everyone. I am Sister Joblin Suchiang, Principal of Auxilium Girls School, Akatala. The composite lab is something we are very proud and happy to introduce at Auxilium Girls School because we believe our students deserve the best learning opportunities. Today, education cannot be limited to textbook and examinations. Children learn best when they are encouraged to ask questions, explore ideas, experiment, and find answers for themselves. That is exactly what this lab is meant to do. It's called Composite Lab because it brings different subjects together. In real life, science, mathematics, technology, language, and creativity are not separate. They work together. We want our students to experience learning in the same way by making connections, working together, and applying what they learn. We see this as an investment in our students' future. The careers our children will have tomorrow may not even exist today. So our responsibility is to help them become curious learners, confident thinkers, and young people who are ready to adapt to new challenges. So for us, this composite lab is not just about equipment or technology. It is about giving every child the opportunity to learn, grow, and prepare for the future with confidence.
আমার দেশের স্বাদ গন্ধ আমার সবচেয়ে প্রিয়। আমার জয় যেমন দেশের জয়, দেশের আনন্দ মানে আমার আনন্দ। লংতরাইয়ের গুঁড়ো মশলা হোক বা সরষের তেল, আমার দেশের প্রোডাক্ট। আর সেই লংতরাই দিয়ে রান্না যখন খাই তখন পাই দেশের স্বাদের আনন্দ। সবার সাথে সেই স্বাদের আনন্দ ভাগ করে নেবার মজাই আলাদা। দেশের স্বাদের আনন্দ লংতরায়। লংতরায়, রান্নায় তোমাকে চাই।